He's bought another bike.
First ride out.
Wow. Do road trips. Not what I was expecting. Here is the replacement.
What do you think?
Hello world, welcome back to Accelerate and welcome to another new bike reveal video.
Seems we've got a lot of these. Now the TT600 has actually gone.
But now, you bought this a few weeks ago. Now, I've already seen this. Now, this will be of absolutely no surprise to anyone that knows Kenny, but he's bought another bike.
Another one.
What you have a little guess?
Ha! No.
No, because I'm only going to embarrass myself.
No, try it. Everyone will enjoy it. I named a couple, didn't I?
Yeah.
Do you think it's any of them?
Yes, the Honda one. Oh, okay, I was hoping it was that one. Okay.
There we go. Something completely different to what I've been telling you.
So, I think it was going to get a Honda to match the Civic, but here.
But this came up.
Wow.
Wow.
Oh my. Wow.
Wow.
What?
That door a minute, because the dog's going to try and... Yeah, you're a sneaky bugger.
Okay, that is not what I was expecting.
So the TT600 wasn't even advertised. It was a bit of a whim. I just thought, right, let's do something, but there's a story behind that. James and Mike came all the way down from Sheffield and rode it home.
So you know you've done a good job there.
Yeah, exactly.
But without further ado, here is the replacement. Ka-chow.
Yeah.
All right.
So
First of all, cuz,
new
what
bike.
on earth are we looking at?
This is a 2006 Suzuki Bandit 1200.
1200.
Yes, it's
and
a 1200.
Again, much like me, for the novices among you, yes, the 1200 means this is a 1200cc bike, a 1.2 litre engine.
Yeah, now even it has double the power of the Triumph TT600. It has less horsepower.
Oh, double the capacity. Yeah,
yes, sorry,
yeah.
yes, that's what I meant. Yeah, so this has 106 horsepower, but it's the torque that's the difference on this, as you just felt as we rode it up here. On the TT600s, we're flat with two of us on there.
Yes.
This is just full grunt.
Well, they are completely different bikes, which we'll get into in a minute. First of all, I'm sure everyone's probably wondering, I mean, if you know Kenny, you know he buys and sells things like no end, but explain the reasoning behind getting rid of the TT600.
Right, now on your first ride out, we actually decide, I like the bike, it was quite comfortable for short journeys.
Yes.
However, on longer journeys, as we were out for like 7 hours.
The video will be going live for that soon. I just don't know which way this is going to go, but there is a video on that.
So yeah, it was just a bit too aggressive and stuff for riding out with.
Sporty.
It was, yeah. So I wanted something, obviously you're going to go down the route of more sport touring.
Yes.
So I wanted something I could also be comfortable on for the days
Basically, we're planning, one of the main reasons of me getting a bike, and one of the reasons I want to get into biking is because I want to do road trips. I love the whole biking community thing.
Yeah.
Sports bikes are amazing, and I imagine they're, no doubt, they're excellent fun, but we want to do journeys and stuff, and we've already figured out on the TT600, they're not the most comfortable.
Not the best for it. Now, this obviously is a very more upright bike. It's a very more comfortable position, and this one actually has higher handlebars on it.
Okay.
So you are more of an upright position, so it's just a lot more comfortable. However, the one thing I did notice on the ride home with it, the buffering from obviously the lack of aerodynamics.
Oh, yes.
I noticed a difference straight away.
Well, on mine, I've got a Lexmoto ZSP that you've probably all seen, which I would say is, I don't want to say the same.
It's not even barely a bike.
Wow.
Yeah, but it's the same design as in there's nothing on the front.
It's a naked
even
bike.
on mine, even on mine, you know, doing about 55, you're pulling, you're thinking, oh, okay, so I dread to think what it's like on this, but I know what you mean.
Yeah, now the good thing about the 2006, obviously I owned a 2007 1250 Bandit as my second bike.
Yeah.
So that's why when this came up for sale, one of the boys from work was just like, I'm selling my bike. This is how much you wanted for it. And he told me then it's got less than 9,500 miles on the clock.
That's crazy. 2006
so,
with 9,500 miles. Yeah, because you weren't even looking at these bikes.
I wasn't. I was looking at the Triumph Sprint 1050 and I was looking at the Honda VFR VTEC, the 800. Yeah,
because that would have been interesting.
Yeah.
You've already had one of these, which is crazy, which is why you weren't particularly looking at them. But
no, well, this is it. Well, when this come up, like I said, with the mileage and with my budget, this was way under my budget.
Yeah,
so I saved some money there. And they are just fantastic all-round bikes.
And for the mileage and everything you can. And yeah, everyone knows they're brilliant bikes.
They are. They're really good all-rounders. Do you know what I mean? They will do everything you need them to do. Don't get me wrong, they're not the fastest things on the planet, but there's plenty of torque and everything you need. And it is quick enough for what you need on the road.
No, the thing I like is the 2006, you've got your analog rev counter, which I always love. Yep. Got your digital bits.
Yeah, no, this was only GSF. This was the 2006 model, had a lot of the 1250 stuff on them. I know, obviously, this was from the 2007 onwards, the 1250. because it was always analog. The tank is different to the like 2005.
Okay.
I'm not sure. I'm pretty sure. Sorry, the front hugger. Correct me if I'm wrong. But it's just got bits off the 1250. It's as if they had everything in production. They were like, oh, we'll just do a little bit on this.
We'll have a little sneaky run on this one. Yeah, we'll have a little play.
So what I do like about this one though was when I bought it, it had a newish rear tyre and a newish blue flame exhaust.
I was going to say, it's got some bits on it.
It has.
Blue flame exhaust with the optional baffles there. We've got one taken out at the moment.
Yeah.
The thing I love, and I know you love.
The afterburner rear lights.
It really does transform the rear end.
It does.
Makes it look a lot more modern and a lot more aggressive.
It does. Now, when I first picked it up, it had the rack on the back as well, which stuck out about here, and it was up here. So
probably good for aerodynamics because that was a head like a chassis.
Yeah, it was. No, we were going to do a video on. I'm going to get rid of that, but this came like 2 days after I bought the bike. I just had to change it.
Kenny being Kenny,
I had to change it straight away. So obviously, I will be putting a smaller plate on it as well because that is a bit big for me.
Well, we are going to do obviously a first ride out of, I would say a startup, but it's so peaceful around here. I don't want to go.
Yeah, this is it. Well, start it up, give it a little rev. A little squeeze, I suppose.
It sounds powerful. And yeah, I was on the back coming down here. And, again, on the TT600, I know they're not designed for it, but even being a passenger on that.
You were leaning over me, weren't you?
Leaning over.
It's like a frog mating.
Yeah. That's one way to think of it. That's not often what I watch, but you know what? Keep your personal things to yourself. That's fine. I don't judge.
Yeah.
But no, on the back, you've got the grab handle on the back, so it was just comfortable. Luckily, I trust Kenny, even on a big bike like this, so it was just nice.
It's more upright as well, so it is better for passengers.
Yeah.
So yeah, it's big things coming. Sorry, everyone says that.
I hate that.
I have got a couple of things that I'm doing though to make this bike better.
Well, you've already got bits on order.
I have ordered a couple of bits. So we'll be changing like the brake lines, twin headlight conversion.
Yes.
Yeah, amongst loads of.
And we are going to be going for some rides.
Yeah.
To some cool destinations, but I think that'll do it for the reveal.
It's not a final destination.
I know. I know a few people have been wondering because I've been teasing people saying he's bought a big bike, a proper bike. So yes, here it is.
There it is.
So yes, guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. We'll see you in the next one.
Boom.
Can I jump on in now and have a go?
Yeah, actually, yeah.
What?
Drew on a big boy. He's gonna get a big bike soon, I reckon. What do you think?
That's awesome. It's so nice to ride. Oh my god.